press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi everyone, this is Aram Tadepalli. Welcome to my channel Tech and Life. And first of all, welcome to Bootcamp course on Tableau. And this is the second video in the series. And in this video, I'm going to explain about help section. So how to get online resources of Tableau, how to get help from Tableau dashboard, and how to get help from online resources of Tableau. So there is a community in Tableau which explains every step, every service in Tableau. So I'm going to explain what are the things you can get in this Tableau software using online services and online help section. And please watch this video completely so that you can get idea whenever you have any doubt, when you are having any problem while doing any data visualization using Tableau. You can use this online service platform, online community platform, and you can get clarified with the step where you stopped. So please do watch this video completely.
Hi everyone, as I mentioned in introduction, I'm going to discuss about help and get support features in Tableau. So you can click on function F1 to get online help regarding any feature. If you want to know about what are the files you need to use, how to upload a file in Tableau, you can get help, get step-by-step procedure in online help portal, and you can get support regarding different drivers and different versions of Tableau, so that you can click on any one now. So I'm going with the online help. So I'm clicking on open help. So it will navigate to the web browser where we can get information from official Tableau help portal, and we can get information like what are the things you can work on Tableau, like build visualization, explore and find insights, analyze your data. You can get basic information of each and every service in related to Tableau. And if you want to create a dashboard, you can click on here. You want to know about how to create a dashboard, so click on create a dashboard. So it will navigate to the page where it will explain you step by step where you need to click, what are the things you need to do, and everything it will explain step by step with indicating all the variables, key variables, text, horizontal, vertical, image, web page, everything. It will create a step-by-step procedure in help section using images and GIF files. And basically in Tableau you have a few concepts which are already pre-designed in Tableau dashboard, world indicators, regional, superstore. Like this preloaded dataset is available. You can work on your own dataset also. If you want to practice, you can practice on these three datasets which are already available. And coming to get help, so if you have any problem with the drivers or any version of Tableau, like I'm using Tableau desktop now, you can use Tableau pre-builder, Tableau server, Tableau online. You can use any product of Tableau, and you want an online help. And if you have any other FAQs, you can get support from Tableau team on demand. So you can download drivers related to every version of Tableau and activation keys. These are the two things which you need to know before starting into Tableau, because Tableau is going to be very critical when you are getting into deep into the Tableau. So you need to concentrate on each and every feature which it's providing. So these are the things which I worked previously. It's showing like this. So these are the sample workbooks which are already available in Tableau. So moreover, if you want to add a few more files, anything, how to add any file related to Tableau supported files, you can get online help again. You can go to online help. You can select how to prepare a data set, how to connect a data. So you can click here and you can get information from this online repository. So this is about Tableau help and online resource section.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and I think you got some information on Tableau which is required to become a data analyst. And thanks for subscriptions, and please do follow every episode in my channel. Like the video, share the video, please press the bell icon. If you are not subscriber, please subscribe to my channel Tech and Life, and please press the bell icon. It will be very helpful for me, and you can get the notifications of further videos and other bootcamp course related information. And please support me and mention your views in the comment section, so it will be very helpful for me. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.